Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. So today I'm showing you a sneak peek for my next tutorial. So I've been working on this hat. I have made three different sizes. So this one's 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and this one's for a child. I would say about 2 years to 5 years. It's quite stretchy as well. So that's my bigger size. These are for babies. Still quite stretchy. So with this hat, what we do is we work inside out. So we're going to be working this side, and then when we're finished, we're going to turn the hat inside out, and this is the lovely pattern we are going to get. So we have ribbon, single crochet ribbon, and this lovely pattern here. So we also have pom-poms. So these are optional. You can make your own pom-pom. There's YouTube tutorials. Maybe I could link some down below. You can do them with your fingers. You can do them with a pom-pom maker. I think I saw some with cardboard. So they're pretty easy. These are just optional. So this one has a folded lip, so the ribbed bit is folded over. So in my tutorial I will explain how you get it, how you measure it to get it to fold. This one I have just done so it all just lies flat. So I hope you're going to join me for this tutorial. It's a very nice hat. I'll show you this one too. I really like the pattern on it, and I think the pom-poms just make it look so much nicer. And then this one is like that. So that is it for today's sneak peek. I hope you're going to join me for my tutorial. It's going to be very straightforward, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.